Shit, like massaging it. It's like some hair, like the alpha type shit.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping.
What it do, familiar? It's your boy Taxi Png. We're back at it again. We got another one. It's a little bit dark in here. Yes, I understand, but we're doing I don't even know what we're doing, bro. We're doing like a crazy, I don't even know what we're doing, bro. But it's like a, it was her idea. So it's gonna be a whole bunch of like kind of lights. It wasn't really her idea, but we're gonna do a whole bunch of lights going underneath the clouds, kind of like she's in the clouds. So I got this backdrop right here to like kind of make it look like we're not where we are currently, so I think it's gonna be kind of cool. I told you guys I wanna do some more, I wanna start getting into doing more creative photo shoots and stuff, so. And I got that new computer, so I gotta put it to work, so. I'm creating some new behind the scenes videos and stuff like that to be able to make all these things work and stuff. I gotta put this over here because the plug is gonna be that way. And then I'm gonna wind this all throughout there. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. I gotta put this out there because the plug is that way. Unless I plug in just one and I can connect all of these. If I can connect these, it would be kind of cool, but can I connect them? Maybe I can. Could I connect this with this? Is this the same type of, so I gotta plug all of these in individually. That's even crazier because now I gotta make sure that I have a, now I gotta make sure I have a plug for everything. I get it myself, face, what it saves me. So I gotta run all of this through here. She's on her way though, she's like an hour away. So I'm not gonna, I've been like rushing. I know she doesn't know what to expect, so she's like, do I need to bring anything else? Like, do you need me to go buy anything? I'm like, nope. She's like, you're sure all I need to do is bring my outfit? I'm like, yep. So we're gonna DIY her outfit today too. She's gonna bring it and we're gonna put the stuff on her outfit. So I'm gonna just run this through here. I don't know if I'm gonna use this blue one. I don't know, I might just use the white ones, I don't know. But we're gonna run this through here. Have it like winding. I've done a shoot like this in the future, in the past. It wasn't bad, it came out good, so hopefully this comes out good too. These are like these are tube lights from Walmart. I actually got these from Walmart. Like years ago, bro. Like so many years ago, I got these from Walmart. I'll put all of them this way so they can all get plugged in. I'm gonna plug one in so you guys can see how it looks. What's the longest one? I'll plug the longest one in so you guys see how it looks. And then the tubes lights are gonna just kind of like just go through, all up through the middle of here, kind of winding around and stuff. I get it. Kind of like lightning, making it go all different types of ways. And yeah, so it's gonna be pretty cool. Let me take some pictures. I'm gonna plug this one in too, because I kind of want them all going different directions. Like this one I like, I think one might be enough. Like this blue and this other one might be overkill, because this one just might be enough for real. Oh, you playing. Like the blue might throw it off. Because if we do this, like this one white one feels like enough. If I plug this next one in and it does too much, you're gonna see, because that might be enough, bro. Yeah, see, this is like a nasty, I don't know about this one, man. I don't know how I feel about this color. Like, should I put the brighter part? Okay, so I'm gonna layer it. I'm gonna put these colors in the front, this dark color in the front. We'll put this dark color in the front. We'll put the blue in the middle, and then we'll put like the windy, this one, kind of like towards the back, because it's brighter. Kind of like backlight her more. When like once, because once you put this stuff on top of it, it get complicated to be able to do it. Like you need to, once the clouds are on it, you kind of out of luck, bro. Like once the clouds are on it, you kind of need to already know what you're doing by the time the clouds get on there. All right, I'll plug this one in now, the last one. See, in blue, kind of look a little dead, but I don't know, we'll see. Probably I just do like, okay, maybe I'll do this one going all the way throughout, and I'll have blue going in the back and around the sides, and then I'll have this one going all throughout, maybe. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Going all the way to the back, all the way to the front, all the way to the back again, to the front again, then to the back again, and then to the front again. Yeah, that's good right there. And then now just cover it with a whole bunch of fluff. Yep, that should be good right there. You gotta like do like thin fluff though, so I gotta like really like shake it so it can fluff out. And I need to keep the fluff on here. I don't want it to get on the floor. Make sure to cover Make sure to cover the lights, but cover the lights with a thin amount because you gotta be able to, the lights need to be able to be seen. So you gotta like, I'm gonna just put it all down and then kind of spread it out, but the lights don't need to be covered with a lot. You gotta be covered with a thin amount so that way you can still see through it. I gotta cover this base for sure because I want these clouds in the background to blend in with the clouds that I brought. And I'm gonna bring this part from over here because I just feel like I'm not gonna shoot this far over. So most of all of her stuff about to be down on the floor. I got 2 more bags of this, but I don't wanna have to open them. This is polyfill, if you guys don't know that. This is polyfill. This right here is polyfill. When I first started doing stuff like this, I didn't use polyfill. I literally bought the $2, I bought $2, it's like between $2 and $4, between $2 and $4 pillows. And I used to cut them open and pull out the stuffing. Oh, my screen's here, I think. I need to do a few more of these coming from the ceiling to make it look like more real, to layer it. So let's do that before she comes. I'm probably gonna do one more like right here, going over that backdrop stand. And with that, for that I'm using fishing wire, you guys. So I'm using fishing wire to do that. So fishing wire, and I was using tape, but I'm low-key probably gonna, I don't even know what I'm gonna use. Probably, I don't know. But fishing wire, and I was using, I'm gonna use fishing wire, but I was using, what's the name, but I'm probably not gonna use that right now. I'm about to just wrap it across my background, my backdrop stand, and grab a glob of this to add to it. Wrap this around here. Casper's looking at me like, what the hell are you doing, Paul? And I'm looking at him like, why are you looking at me? There we go. Fishing wire is like easy to tie, but also like even easier to tangle. So I'll probably put this one back here. I'll put this one back here and put it on this red. It's fishing wire, it's meant to hold fish, so that's good. Shit, I might put one more back here, and then we're straight. And then I got some of these too, like I got these that I was gonna use. I didn't plan on using flash today. I was gonna use like constant light, like a budget light setup, and just maybe put this like in here or something, like to light it up, stuff like that, or have it like hanging over her or something. Like shots like that, but natural light photography, you know, rather than using anything else. And I have different colors. So I'm probably gonna do this today. Nice, dark, and like cute. I think it'll be kind of fun. I have 2 of these today. So this is the this is the R10, and then I think this is the I forgot which one this is from Small Rig. These are both, so this is from Small Rig and this is from Newer. This is the Small Rig one, this is from Newer. I think this is the R10, and I think this is the RC10 or something like that. Let me see. So I don't lie, I tell y'all the exact one. Okay, this is the FL10, and I think this is the RC10. So this is the this is the FL10 from Newer. And then this is the, okay, this is the FL10 from Newer, and then this is the FRF10. Yeah, bro, it's too much shit to understand. But this is from Newer, this is Small Rig. They both do the same exact thing. So I'm using these today because they do the same thing. So yeah, but both of these, they zoom in and zoom out. So if you turn it on, you hold the button, you rotate it, and it turns on, and you can zoom it out and zoom it in. They come with a whole bunch of different gobbles and little like stencils for you to be able to use. So I could use one like this, and you just press the button and it changes the color. So I'm thinking about using probably like either white or something to like illuminate the moon even more or something. Potentially, maybe, possibly, or even just aiming it down at her. Or I could have it off to the side like this, illuminating the moon, which could be kind of cool. I don't even see it in the. Yeah, this could be cool, like having it illuminate the moon even more, like give that moon that glow. I don't know, but something, or directly above her. I don't know, but we'll see. I'm trying to layer that lighting. I don't want to use flash, but if I have to, I will. I'm gonna fill this out, and then I'm gonna hit y'all back when I'm done. I'm probably gonna put one more up there, and then yeah. But I'm about to go get some food and water before she comes.
Hey, try to turn me up a little bit right now. Let's go. Yeah, 10 out of 10, let's rate. I've been going big on the page out of state. Do research, check out the back of my plates. I rep so heavy, attack when I take. Still, I'm on that for the long run. That name that you got, say the right one.
I just never like.
So maybe it was being licked by a cat.
Lick?
I mean, dog lick?
Yeah,
It's a
but
bigger
that's
tongue.
different.
It's a way bigger tongue though.
Don't try me, I rap like a python. Had enough of the talk, let be hustling. Got my name up, came up off of nothing. Jersey gon' hang up like Jane, cause I'm chosen. Need my necklace and wrist, sit frozen. Getting bread out the game like I throwed it. It don't make me no bigger to show it. The stack, cause I'm here for the trophy. Made it law when they cannot appeal. Show them nothing less than all the real. What you
I'm trying two things, all right? I know that the hot glue is gonna work, but if I wanna try this first in case this works, cause it's like fabric glue, so like, see? See? Some of it's like on. First portion done. It's nice right here, yeah. That's nice right there. Like a low key, I'm saying if I'm bored and some shit. Tight shit.
think it cost me out the deal. All I know is how I came in from the dough.
You guys, when I did the I did a cloud room in my room, and what I figured out was when you spray like this stuff, because this came from that cloud room stuff, onto the actual cloud, it forces it to stick to itself. So this is kind of cool to get it to stick to itself, and then you can hot glue it to the actual garment. Because right now I did it backwards. So if I go ahead and use this and stick it in certain spots, I can stick it to itself. You see what I'm saying? And I can pull parts and stick it to itself. And stick it to itself to get everything to just stick together. So once you stick it to the fabric, you can spray this little stuff. Yes, it does get really, really sticky, so don't spray too much. Just spray a little bit so that you can just like keep molding it around. But it will help you be able to mold and keep stuff in certain spots. But it will also get sticky if you do too much. So kind of keep that in mind. In the drug, I like massaging it. It's like some hair, like the alpha. We're almost done, I think. Awesome shit. This is actually like it's about damn near. This shit hot though.
It's hot.
I can feel the heat behind it below it. Yeah. Put your hands up. You feel like the heat?
It is.
Yeah. Everybody go ahead and get started, gang. Why you following me? Follow your owner. Go and get up in there. If the world was any, what do I, would you trying to get me?
I'm gonna mess nothing up.
You're not gonna mess nothing up. You about to have to move stuff around to make sure no cables and stuff are seen anyways. We're gonna do both knees first, come on. Onto the twos, come on. Like that right there, yep. That is, bro, surgery. And you're right, and you see a big gun. All right, you guys, I got this one big umbrella set up right here, which I'm gonna be shooting on right here, just like so. Pow, pow, pow. It's gonna make so noises and stuff. Oh, this looks really cute. Oh, yo, this looks really good. That looks good. Yeah, all of this for one shot, guys. Oh my gosh, this looks so cute. Oh, wow. Sorry, you're not doing nothing yet, but I know. Like, where the hell you at? Like, who do you think you are? There you go, that's better. Look. He was like, goddamn, because you couldn't see the other one. Like,
it looked like it was.
Oh, there we go. Come on, stop it. Give me Finn. Yep. All right. So both bring some of the extra cotton onto you a little bit, like right. Open your legs a little bit. There you go. Close. With this shoot right here, it was actually very cool. I've been wanting to do a shoot like this for a long time because I had this background, and this background literally came from the Goodwill, bro. I got the background from Goodwill for $5. I'm in a $5 bundle with like different other like stuff. You know how you like just a bag and it's like $5 and there's like a whole bunch of stuff in there. This came from in there. Don't get on me for how I have my glasses. If I have my glasses regularly and I have them on and I have them like this, they hurt. So like they're right here, this is fine. But when I put my headphones on top of my glasses, now it starts to push down on these little parts right here and it starts to dig into my cranium. Now we have a problem because now my glasses are digging into my cranium. So instead of them digging digging into my cranium, I'm more so okay with looking crazy. And I also want to take care of my eyes, because if you guys have been here on the channel long enough, you guys know that I have eye problems and I've had multiple eye surgeries. So I don't want to do that again. So I've been using these to help me without eye strain for being at the freaking computer for 8 hours at a time. So I have it set up like here at the top, just like that, touching onto the temple, nice. I had to get some new frames because these are flexy, right? Yeah, nice and flexy. And I didn't know that they had prescription blue light. You can have a heightened percentage of blue light to your glasses, apparently, for people who I guess are special and things of that nature. So they gave me some of those, and these are nice. And yeah, these go up top. My headphones go right below it. Do I have anything playing? No, but my headphones help me concentrate. Neurodivergence. But I love you guys, and I appreciate you guys for watching. This right here was a shit that I've been wanting to do for a long time. I got this backdrop from Goodwill, and it was a Goodwill, like, bro, it was a Goodwill like so far. But when I first started photography, I kind of got this thing, and I was like, oh, it'd be a cool idea. I could use it for a baby's birthday party or a baby's photo shoot. Never used it. It was literally just sitting in my drawer. Never used it. So now is my time to use it. I'm like, okay, she came to me with this idea. It was a plain background that she had for the idea, but I said, hey, I'm not plain. You know what I'm saying? I'm not boring. So let's go ahead and make something cool out of this, because I'm not boring. So we put 2 and 2 together. I created this outfit too. That's another crazy thing. I created this outfit using hot glue, and I created her outfit using hot glue. I just told her to bring a piece of clothing that she didn't really care too much about, so that way it would be okay for me to mess it up, because I was definitely putting hot glue on it, and that hot glue was not going to come off easily by any means necessary. So yeah, but I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm really happy that you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get back into it. When you got here, yeah.
Yeah, and then on top of.
Cause I didn't post it on my story on purpose. I was like, oh, I'm gonna surprise her. That shit. Cause I was like, she's gonna see it on my story, and she gonna walk in and not be surprised. How dare her? There you go. Let me see. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's cute. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, hold it. Hold it. Let me see. Hold it. Scoot. You gotta scoot over more. Yep, there we go, yep. Yeah, that's cute. Hold it, 3, 2, and 1. Yep, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Casper, she just sitting there, bro. He's not even doing nothing. Hold it, yep, 3, 2, and 1. Don't pop your shit. Yep, there we go. You gotta remember. Hold it, yep, 3, 2, and 1. Stop blinking. If you stop blinking, I could get you. Come on, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. Dog was just peeking in there. It's hard though. You blink a lot, cuz. You be that motherfucker. Your eyes be flapping.
I don't even realize until you be like, stop blinking.
I was trying to catch you in between. That's cute too.
Wait, that picture's so cute.
Like he's like, this is fluffy. These were cute though too. You're gonna love me. You're gonna hug me. Thank you guys so much for tapping in with me today, man. I love you guys. As always, I'm gonna leave the links down below to everything that I use in this video, as well as links to all my other gear that I use in all the other videos. I'm gonna leave a link down below also to the Discord community, free Discord community where you guys can chat in there as well. If you ever need any help with photography, videography, or content creation, there's over 1,000 members in there currently right now to be able to help you at whatever, with whatever, however, and whenever you need it. We got a night crew, a morning crew, a day crew, crews in there for the free ski to help you out along your journey of photography, videography, and content creation. So the link will be down below there. And if you guys want to learn more from me or have a one-on-one session with me, the Patreon link will be down below as well. I have different digital products up too. If you guys want to know any of my presets, my retouching pack, I have different videos out and stuff like that. I'm gonna leave everything linked down below. Until next time, Taxi.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.